Hey everyone, Avurukri here again, and I want to introduce you to someone that's really special to me, Dr. Noel Amalados. So, Dr. Amalados is not only Canada's leading psychiatrist, but he's also an assistant professor at McMaster, where he teaches psychiatry and behavioral neurosciences. And in his role, he deals every day with ADHD, disorders related to anxiety and stress. But what's really interesting about Dr. Amalados is the fact that he really operates on the intersection of technology and neuroscience. So he's an expert on artificial intelligence and how emerging digital technologies really affect our psyche. So a couple of weeks ago, when we were discussing remote work and how hybrid technologies cause stress and how remote workers feel disconnected and what the neurological basis for a lot of these issues are, I was very fascinated. So I knew a lot of my friends and my network would love to hear from him. So we set up a webinar. On November 19th, you can join me and Dr. Amalados, and we're going to be talking about the neuroscience of stress and anxiety in a remote work environment. Why does it happen? What can you do to control it? What are the triggers that make a remote work environment stressful versus not stressful? And I would love to go ahead and share insights, ask him questions, and get your questions answered. Join us on November 19th at 10 a.m. Talk to you soon.